Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever wondered how to give your garden that lush, structured, year-round beauty, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the backbone of any great landscape, garden shrubs. These unsung heroes bring texture, color, and form to your outdoor space, turning a simple yard into a stunning, multi-season sanctuary. Stick around as we explore what they are, why you absolutely need them, and how to use them like a pro. Let's get growing. A garden shrub is essentially a woody plant, smaller than a tree but larger than most perennials, characterized by multiple permanent, woody stems branching near the ground. They form the foundational structure, or bones, of any successful landscape design. In a landscaping context, shrubs serve as the crucial middle layer between low-lying ground covers, annuals, and the taller canopy provided by trees. They are pivotal in creating visual weight, defining boundaries, and establishing a sense of scale and permanence within a garden. From compact boxwoods used for neat hedges to sprawling hydrangeas that offer seasonal explosions of color, the term shrub encompasses a vast and versatile group of plants. Understanding their role is the first step to designing a layered, sophisticated, and visually appealing garden that looks fantastic through every season. The benefits of incorporating garden shrubs into your landscaping are extensive, offering practical, aesthetic, and ecological advantages. Aesthetically, shrubs provide year-round interest. Unlike seasonal flowers, evergreen shrubs maintain color and structure through the winter, while deciduous shrubs often offer stunning fall foliage and architectural lines when dormant. They act as natural screens and privacy barriers, blocking unsightly views or creating secluded outdoor rooms. Structurally, they help transition the eye from the height of a house or large tree down to the lawn or flower bed, making the entire design feel cohesive and grounded. From an ecological perspective, shrubs provide essential habitat, nesting sites, and food sources for local wildlife, including birds and pollinators. Moreover, they are generally low maintenance, requiring less care and water once established than many annual flowers, and they are excellent for erosion control on slopes thanks to their robust root systems. Decorating with shrubs is all about purposeful placement and thoughtful grouping. To achieve a beautiful look, focus on layering and repetition. Start by using larger, structural shrubs like taller evergreens or specimen plants at the back of a border or against a building to establish a backdrop. Then, move to a middle layer of medium-sized, often flowering shrubs like roses or spireas to add seasonal color. The front layer should consist of small, mounding shrubs like dwarf boxwood or low-growing heathers that soften the edges. Repetition is key. Use the same shrub variety or color/texture palette in multiple non-contiguous spots to create visual unity throughout the entire garden. Furthermore, don't be afraid to use contrasting textures and colors. For example, pair a shrub with fine, wispy leaves like a Japanese maple next to a shrub with large, bold foliage like a hosta or big-leaf hydrangea. Finally, use pruning as a decorative tool. Whether you prefer the formal, geometric look of topiary or the natural, flowing shape of a lightly pruned specimen. The best shrubs depend heavily on your climate zone, but there are several universally beloved and versatile options. For evergreen structure and hedging, you can't go wrong with boxwood or buxus, known for its dense foliage and trainability, or various types of juniper and arborvitae for taller screens. For incredible blooming power, the hydrangea or hydrangea macrophylla or paniculata is a must-have, offering massive blooms from summer into fall. For year-round color and interest, consider Japanese holly or Ilex crenata or dwarf Alberta spruce. If you're looking for deer resistance and low-maintenance needs, try lavender or lilac shrubs. And finally, for stunning foliage color, incorporate shrubs like ninebark or physocarpus with its dark purple leaves, or barberry or berberis, which offers brilliant reds and yellows. Always check your local agricultural extension service for shrubs proven to thrive in your specific growing conditions. Let's look at some incredible inspiration with our top 10 best garden shrubs for landscaping ideas. 1. Vibrant Summer Bloom Border. Starting with Vibrant Summer Bloom Border, This idea showcases a beautiful mixed perennial and shrub border featuring large, showy white to lime green panicle hydrangeas as the dominant structural shrubs, complemented by bursts of cheerful yellow rudbeckia and fiery orange daylilies. The placement against the white porch railing creates a classic cottage garden feel, offering continuous color and textural contrast right up to the structure of the home. 2. Formal topiary and gravel garden. Next, we have formal topiary and gravel garden. This is a stunning example of formal landscaping, where the design uses precisely manicured evergreen shrubs, specifically boxwood, trimmed into geometric shapes, neat spheres, and elegant conical topiaries. The uniform green contrasts sharply with the neutral, fine gravel mulch, emphasizing the structure and artistry of the plants. This type of design is perfect for creating a sophisticated, high-impact statement in an entryway or courtyard. 3. Shade garden sanctuary of foliage. Our third idea is the shade garden sanctuary of foliage. This lush, deeply shaded garden area features a variety of foliage shrubs and perennials, highlighting texture and different shades of green instead of flowers. Hosta varieties, ferns, and dark-leafed heuchera create a serene, cool, and low-maintenance border, demonstrating how shrubs can define the curved edge of a lawn while thriving beneath a tree canopy. 4. Bold and bright caladium foundation planting. Moving on to bold and bright caladium foundation planting, here we see an incredible seasonal display using large leaf caladiums and coleus for dramatic foliage color next to a brick and siding home. While technically annuals, these plants are massed and used like shrubs to create a bold, tropical look with white, silver, and deep burgundy red leaves. The design shows how impactful foliage can be in a foundation planting, offering color that lasts longer than most flowers. 5. Elegant white climbing rose border. Idea number 5 is the elegant white climbing rose border. This sophisticated border utilizes a row of dense, low, mounding evergreen shrubs or possibly dwarf boxwood as a foundation layer, topped by a glorious, prolific display of pure white climbing roses. The height of the roses is balanced by tall, slender evergreen columnar shrubs, likely arborvitae or cypress in the background, offering excellent privacy and a formal, romantic aesthetic. 6. Privacy hedge and paved walkway accent. For the sixth idea, we feature a privacy hedge and paved walkway accent. This is a classic, structured landscape featuring a commanding backdrop of uniformly sized, tall evergreen shrubs, likely arborvitae or thuja, that serve as a robust privacy screen. In front, a border of lower, tightly clipped shrubs and continuous red roses lines a beautifully laid stone and brick walkway, combining formal structure with vibrant, seasonal color. 7. Dynamic texture and color border. Next up is the dynamic texture and color border. This explosion of color and texture is defined by a dense layer of dark green columnar evergreens in the background. The foreground features dramatic color blocks, wispy, silvery green fountain grass, masses of deep crimson foliage plants like coleus or irisine, bright yellow-green perennials, and vertical spikes of purple salvia and deep pink impatiens. It's a masterclass in combining shrub-like forms for multi-level interest. 8. Mediterranean-inspired front yard planting. The eighth idea is a Mediterranean-inspired front yard planting. This drought-tolerant or Mediterranean-style garden showcases a mix of textures and bright, contrasting colors. Structural shrubs like yucca or phormium in a large pot anchor the display, surrounded by mounding purplish-blue lavender, vibrant red lilies, and fine, soft green spirea or ornamental grasses. The planting perfectly softens the architecture of the building and is ideal for full sun exposure. 9. Grand Cottage Garden Oasis. For a grand scale, look at the Grand Cottage Garden Oasis. This expansive aerial view of an elaborate garden relies heavily on a massive variety of colorful shrubs and small trees to create a year-round, immersive experience. The central lawn is surrounded by planting beds featuring repeated mounds of colorful foliage, evergreens, and flowering specimens, all tied together by stone pathways and benches, creating distinct, inviting garden rooms. 10. Colorful foundation perimeter garden. Finally, our 10th idea is a colorful foundation perimeter garden. This cheerful garden border runs along the base of a white house, using a diverse mix of flowering shrubs and perennials. Large, mounding yellow coreopsis and rudbeckia provide a sunny anchor, offset by pink and burgundy coneflowers or echinacea and blue spike flowers. The layered effect, with taller shrubs in the back and shorter flowers in the front, makes the planting feel full, natural, and welcoming. Shrubs are more than just filler. They are the heart of a resilient and beautiful landscape. By understanding their form, function, and seasonal appeal, you can create a garden that is not only low maintenance, but also continuously spectacular. Whether you opt for the crisp lines of a formal boxwood hedge or the wild, romantic cascade of a lilac or rose shrub, these plants will pay dividends in beauty and curb appeal for years to come. Start small, focus on layering, and watch your garden transform into the structured oasis you've always dreamed of. Which of these incredible shrubs is going into your garden next? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful and are ready to tackle your next landscaping project, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our newest videos on plants, patios, and all things beautiful for your home. Thanks for watching and happy planting.